Good afternoon, everyone. This is our lecture number 15 on economics, specifically for engineering economics. Now, in this lecture, we'll see about demand curve. In this lecture, we'll see about demand curve. Now, let us take a previous example. We already studied that price of tomato and its quantity purchased. You can see the price of tomato and its quantity purchased. As previously I told you that for rupees 10, when the price of tomato was rupees 10, that time I purchased 1 kg of tomato. When the price increased, I purchased 0.75 kg of tomato, or we can say 750 gram. When the price increased to 30, 40, similarly the quantity decreases and the particular price increases. Okay, here we see two curves. When the price increases, the quantity reduces. So here on the right hand side I have drawn one graph. Okay, so on the x-axis it indicates the quantity in kg or in numbers or in any unit. Okay, on the y-axis it indicates the price. Price will be in rupees, price will be in dollar, or maybe any other currency. Okay, now on this x-axis, here the price or quantity is 1 kg. Here the quantity is 1 kg. Then the quantity is 0.75, 0.50 and 0.25. Okay, the quantity is continuously reducing. On y-axis the price is rupees 10, then it increases up to 40. Here for our requirement the price increases up to 40. It may increase up to beyond the 40. Okay, now when we see when the price is rupees 10, that time quantity is 1 kg. We can draw line which originate from y, that is x, rupees 10. When we draw a line from point to rupees 10 and the line is parallel to the x-axis, the line which is parallel to the x-axis, so we'll get such a line. Now from 1 kg quantity we draw another line, that is this line, and this line is parallel to the y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. When these two lines intersect, we get one intersection point. Similarly, for rupees 20 and for quantity 0.75, we draw the similar lines such a way from original. So I am drawing from here, but this line starts from this point and this line starts from this. Okay, so we get another coordinate. Similarly for price 30 and quantity 50, similarly for price rupees 30 and quantity 0.50, we draw and we get another intersection point. And similarly for another, that is price 40 and rupees 40 and quantity 0.25, we get another intersection point. We got 4 intersection point. I used to say that is I1 to I4, I1 to I4. So these 4 intersection point, I stand for intersection. We get 4 intersection point. When we connect these 4 intersections point, then we will get a line, and this line is called as demand curve. This line we get is called as demand curve. Okay, this line we get called as demand curve. Now here demand curve, the slope is downward. Very important point, the slope is downward. Here we get the slope is downward. Here the slope we get downward. Following the law of demand, we says that for increasing prices the quantity of demand decreases. So the prices increases on the y-axis. Prices increase on y-axis. We have quantity on x-axis we'll see the quantity reduces. Quantity reduces. So original quantity is 1 kg and it reduces up to 0.25 kg. Okay. So when it happens, when the price is rupees 10, when it increases vertically on y-axis, when the price increases, the quantity reduces or decreases. So this is exactly the law of demand. Okay. Now we will see another example. When here, say, few ladies are going to the market, and here we have taken two conditions. One condition is price is more, and the second condition is price is less. The first condition is price is more and price. This is first condition, and this is second condition. Now, what happens when the price is more? What happens that time? The supply reduces. The supply is less. We'll see about the supply in the next coming slide. Okay, but here we need to focus only on the demand. Now, there is relationship between supply and demand. There is a relationship between supply and demand, and also there is a relationship between supply and price and demand. Okay, so I used to say S for supply, P for price, and D for demand. Okay, so this is the relationship between all these 3 points, and these are very important. Okay, now we'll see the supply is less. The first situation, price is more, or you can say the supply is less. We can take any condition. The supply is less, the price will be more. Now these two ladies go to the market. Go to market to purchase a particular commodity. Like we can say the price of onion. The price of onion is continuously fluctuating. Continuously fluctuating. Sometimes the onion price may be rupees 10 per kg, and sometimes it may influence to the 80 rupees. Sometimes it goes up to 80 rupees. Okay. Now, so these two situations, when the supply is less, okay, when the supply is less, that time what happens? The prices of goods increases. Consider the price is rupees 80 rupees. When the supply is less, the prices will go up. Now, when the prices will go up, that time what happens? The demand will reduce. Demand will reduce. Means these two ladies will go to the market and will bring onion. Okay. When there is supply is less, price increases, then the demand of the particular product reduces. So that time only few persons will go to the market and will purchase that onion. Okay. So these two ladies, only two ladies, you can say 2 persons go to the market, only few persons will go to the market and will purchase the onion. Now, what happens when the supply is more? Now, say in the month of June, the production of onion, consider, say was 10 metric ton in a particular district. So that time the supply was less. In month of June, the supply was less. So prices went up to rupees 80. Okay, the prices went up. But by the time of August, the farmers got additional amount of, that is called as onion, and now into the market sufficient amount of onion are available, like 50 metric ton, or we can say 50 metric ton amount of onion is available in the market. Earlier in month of June, the quantity was 10 metric ton, and now in August the quantity is increased to 50. So 10 to 50. So this is 10 metric ton. Now this is 50 metric ton. So the particular supply is more in the market. So what happens when the supply is more? Then the prices start falling. Supply is more, the prices start falling. So what happens when the supply increases? Here we will see on the left side is diagram. The supply is more, the prices fall down, and when the prices fall, the demand will be more. Means here we'll find many ladies who go to the market and will purchase onion, or we can say the maximum people will go to the market and will purchase a particular commodity, because the price of the particular product reduces because the supply increases. Okay, so the supply side, yes, increases. Then what happens? The price side will reduces. The price side will reduces. Then at the same time, demand side, that is, we can draw here D. Demand will increase, and demand will increase means automatically people will purchase more onion. People will purchase more onion. So this is about the demand curve of economics. Okay. Now here the next important point is supply. Okay, we'll see what is meant by supply. Now supply refers to the goods supplied at a particular price. So here important point is goods supplied at a particular price. It is called as supply. Supply again with reference to the price, and the law of supply states that higher the price, more will be the quantity supplied. Now, here it is very important. We'll understand how it happens. That is, higher the price, more will be the quantity supplied. Now we'll take the example of sugarcane. Okay, because we reside mostly in a sugar belt. Most of us reside in or live in a sugarcane belt. Okay, now we can take the price of sugar or sugarcane. Then we'll understand the price. Say, assume the price of particular sugar was rupees 500 per ton in 2001. Okay, in 2001. So it is only assumption. These figures are not correct. It is for understanding. So rupees 500 was a price per ton in 2001. Now in 2005 the price increased. In 2005 the price again increased to say 1000 rupees. The price increased up to 1000. In 2010, here I am writing 2010, the price increases, say here 2000. The price of sugarcane per ton become 2000. Now we'll see three ways. In 2001, the price of sugarcane for one ton was rupees 500. In 2005, the price was at 1000 rupees, and in 2010, the price was at rupees 2000 rupees. Now the farmers will understand the price of sugarcane is continuously increasing. So this is upward inclined. So the price of sugarcane is continuously increasing. So farmers will increase their sugarcane production. So how we can say the farmer will increase his sugarcane production? Either he can increase his productivity, okay, or we can say he can increase the area under cultivation. Okay, no doubt by increasing the productivity, he will increase more profit and more quantity. But traditional method is increase in area. Now we'll see how it happens. Suppose previously the farmer consider this is the land of the farmer. Originally he was cultivating that much. Now these are the hatching line. That much area he utilized for sugarcane in 2001. Now the price increases in 2005 to 100. Now he again added more area for cultivation for sugarcane. Again in 2010 he added more area for cultivation of sugarcane. Now the real motive is that the farmer understood that the price of sugarcane is continuously increasing. The price of sugarcane is continuously increasing. So in 2001 the price was rupees 500. In 2005 it increased to 1000 rupees, and in 2010 it increases to 2000. So the farmer understood that the price of particular sugarcane is continuously increasing. So in 2001 his area was he was cultivating the sugarcane only into this land. Then the price increased. He decided to cultivate more area under sugarcane. Later he again increased. The area. Now what will be the result? The result will be more supply of sugarcane. So I am considering here area. When the area under the production of sugarcane increases, definitely the supply of particular food or quantity or particular kind of food increases. Okay. So here why the real motive is increase in price. Increase in price influences the farmer to provide more quantity or supply more quantity. As I already told you, there are two ways to increase the supply. One is to increase the productivity, and second to increase the area. So I am just focusing on the increasing area. So in 2001 suppose we have that much area. In 2001 that much area, and in 2005 again the farmer added that much area. In 2010 again the farmer added that much area. Okay, so ultimately the farmer got benefit by increasing the area. When he increases area, the quantity or the supply of the particular goods increases. Finally in 2000 later year, like in 2015 or 14, he again cultivated more area. It means that more area under cultivation increases the supply. When the supply increases, the prices of the particular product will increase. I mean to say that when the price increases, the quantity of supply will increase. And here we consider other factors remaining constant. And we can take another point of view, that is vice versa. When here in the first condition price increases, quantity of supply will also increases. Now we will see another condition. Here the condition is that vice versa. Here I mean to say that when the price reduces, then the quantity of supply will also reduce. Now take the example. Suppose the price of tomato was rupees 40 per kg. In month of say January or May 2020. So during May 2020 the price of tomato was rupees 40 per kg. Similarly in month of June it increased to 50 rupees. But when the July came, the price of tomato reduces to rupees 10 per kg. Now what happened when the price of the tomato was rupees 40 in month of May? The farmers start to grow maximum amount of tomato, and they bring that tomato into the market. But by the time being, number of farmers increases. So I like to say farmer F1, or we can say the supplier. Supplier increases or farmer increases, the production increases. So what happens when there is increase in a particular product into the market? So it results into reduction in supply. So reduction in supply of price, we can say. When here what happens when the prices of particular product reduces, again the supply of the particular product reduces. Okay, now farmer or merchant will understand, that is, there is no need to purchase a tomato and sell into the market because the margin is comparatively less. Okay, Now here we can take another example, that is sugarcane production, where we can take another example of sugarcane production. Now here we can see in 2003, 2018-19, sugarcane production was, in 2003, the sugarcane production was near about 300 million metric tons, and in 2018-19 it increased to the 400 million metric tons. So the sugarcane production was increased from 300 million metric tons to 400 million metric tons. Now, during the same period, when we talk about 2003 to 14, or we can take example from 2012 to 2018. So here we will understand 2012 to 2018. Okay. So we will understand the prices. So sugarcane prices. So here we will find the fluctuation. We will find the fluctuations. So we don't get always a constant line. So these are the constant line, means these are the theoretical lines, and these are the fluctuating lines, means these are the reals or real time lines. So here we will get the fluctuation in prices. In October 2012, the price for in the 1 ton of sugar was rupees 35,000 per metric ton, and by the time being of April 2018, it reduces to near about 32,000. Now we will see the prices reduces because the supply continuously increases. Okay. Now what happens when prices start falling? The supply also reduces. So we can say, finally we can conclude here that supply is increases with price. The supply increases with price. If the price increases, so this condition, so here I am writing P, the supply will also increase. In this condition, second, when the price falls down, I draw the point P, the supply will also fall down. Okay. It means that price and supply are directly proportional to each other. These are directly proportional. P and S is directly proportional to each other. Price increases, supply increases. Price reduces, supply reduces. Thank you.